Fina Felix, a final year student at the University of Guyana, pursuing a degree in computing and information technology. For my final year project, I would have implemented an online vehicle registration system. This is to curb the manual system that we have right now in Guyana. So this video is going to show you my solution to the problem that was explained in my proposal, where the problem is the manual system that we have is time consuming and it requires applicants to be on site. So I'm going to head over to my system which was developed as a web application. I'm going to go to the website. And here we have the website, Guyana Motor Vehicle Registration, for short GMVR. All the pages on the site are explained in the proposal, but we're just going to focus on the registration, which is actually the solution to the problem. So on the registration page, the first section is about the owner, the vehicle owner. If you're a business owner, then you enter your business name. And this is for like auto dealers. If you're not a business owner, you just want to register as an individual, then you can leave this out and just complete the others. But we're going to go ahead and register as an owner. And I'm going to enter my information. I'm just going to enter some random numbers because I'm not going to enter my personal information. So we would have completed the first section. We're going to move on to the next. The next section is about the vehicle. So you enter all the information regarding the vehicle. The first part is the manufacturer. Since this is just a test, I would have only listed 4 manufacturers, and these are like the common manufacturers that we have. However, once the site is fully implemented, the system is implemented and made to the public, then of course you need an entire list of all the manufacturers. For now, we're going to go ahead with Toyota, and my vehicle name I'm going to use IST. Color of my vehicle is pink. Chassis number, I'm going to put engine number. And then we need to upload these documents, which is the invoice to show your purchase, your certificate of registration, that's if it's a used vehicle and it was canceled, the customs declaration, the title, and the bill of lading. Of course, I do not have these documents because I'm not an owner, but I'm going to go ahead and just select random documents so you can see that the system do work. Okay, so all the fields were completed. I'm going to go ahead and submit. So there we go. There we have a message after submitting. Your motor vehicle registration was submitted. Please check your email for further instructions and updates. What we would have just went through is my solution to the problem that we are facing in Guyana for vehicle registration. The problem is the manual system, where it's time consuming and it requires an individual to be on site and having to wait a lengthy period of time for the entire process. With my solution, you can register your vehicle online, submit the information to GRA, and the persons that are responsible for the vehicle registration, or the persons who are working in that department at GRA, will have access to the email that accepts these information, and they will be the ones to be in contact with you regarding your application. Once they would have verified your documents and everything is okay, then they will contact you again via email or the number that you would have provided to let you know that the verification process has been completed. You can now go ahead to make payments. And to make payments, you then visit the Guyana Revenue Authority and uplift your registration. You visit the Guyana Revenue Authority, make your payments, and uplift your registration. In that way, you would have eliminated the entire wait time on site. You don't have to join any long line because everyone is not going to register the vehicle at the same time. So you're going to have persons coming in at different times to actually make payment and uplift their registration. I must note that payment can be an option for online. You can make payments online, but with my system, I haven't included that. I am just going to stick to the submitting of the documents. And again, this is my solution to the manual process where persons have to actually be on site to start and complete the registration process. With my process, you can start it online, await instructions, then visit the Guyana Revenue Authority to make payments. I just want to show you that the information entered were actually received on my email since I am the admin for the site. All the information that I would have entered, they're here. Likewise, at Guyana Revenue Authority, the department that will deal with motor vehicle registration will be receiving all these information and will be able to verify your documents. So thank you very much.